Elemental beings and their influence on the human body. In ancient teachings and mystical traditions, it is believed that the human body is composed of four fundamental elements: earth, water, fire, and air. The balance of these elements is essential for physical and spiritual well-being. However, when this energy balance is disturbed, astral or etheric entities known as elemental beings can penetrate the body, affecting a person's mental, physical, and spiritual state. What are elemental beings? Elemental beings are consciousness forms that represent the fundamental energies of nature. They are classified into four main groups. Earth elementals, gnomes, dwarves, dryads, represent physical endurance, bodily health, and material stability. Water elementals, undines, mermaids, nixies, influence emotions, the subconscious mind, intuition, and spiritual flow. Fire elementals, salamanders, flame spirits, govern passion, energy, willpower, and creativity. Air elementals, sylphs, wind spirits, affect thoughts, communication, mental clarity, and intuitive perception. When in harmony with nature, these beings contribute to the balance of universal energy. However, when elemental imbalances occur in the human body, these entities may enter a person's energetic field in an uncontrolled manner, leading to various negative effects. How do they influence and take hold of the human body? Elemental beings can influence the human body under the following conditions. 1. Elemental imbalances: earth deficiency, insecurity, financial worries, physical weakness; water deficiency, emotional detachment, lack of intuition, inner restlessness; fire deficiency, weak willpower, low motivation, depression; air deficiency, mental blockages, communication issues, lack of focus. 2. Traumas and energy leaks. Traumas and subconscious blockages can create cracks in the aura, allowing lower vibrational entities to enter the human energy field. 3. Improper spiritual practices and magic. Engaging in magic, meditation, or energy work without proper knowledge can disrupt one's frequency and attract incompatible elemental beings. 4. Prolonged exposure to negative emotions. Continuous exposure to low vibration emotions such as anger, fear, and jealousy can attract elemental entities. For example, someone who is constantly angry may unknowingly invite negative fire elementals. Effects of elemental beings. Physical symptoms: chronic fatigue, joint pain, digestive issues. Emotional impact: mood swings, hypersensitivity, depression, or mania. Mental and spiritual influence: lack of focus, paranoia, nightmares, obstacles in spiritual growth. Methods for cleansing and restoring elemental balance. 1. Rebalancing the elements in the body. For earth deficiency, spend time in nature, walk barefoot on the ground. For water deficiency, drink plenty of water, practice swimming, perform moon and water rituals. For fire deficiency, get sunlight exposure, engage in physical activity. For air deficiency, practice deep breathing exercises, spend time outdoors. 2. Cleansing the aura and chakras, salt baths, sage smudging, Reiki, and energy healing. 3. Healing the subconscious and facing shadow aspects, addressing traumas, emotional detox, and inner work. 4. Protecting one's energy field, reciting protective prayers and mantras. Carrying protective stones, e.g. obsidian, black tourmaline, strengthening the aura through meditation. Conclusion: elemental beings are an integral part of nature, and when in balance, they can serve as guides. However, disturbances in elemental equilibrium can lead to chaos. Maintaining elemental harmony, increasing spiritual awareness, and keeping the aura clean are key to protecting oneself from their negative influences. When we live in harmony with our inner elements, we experience a more balanced, healthy, and peaceful life.